Okay, people, this is just a quick video. This is going to be the little crafter's new little studio type deal, So this is like a response to her video where I made fun of her because she only took a video of like the wall. So this is the whole room. I still gotta clean it up a little bit. She's gonna have a little fridge if I get it to work. I think the fridge works. So it's gonna be her little space. It's got a really high ceiling. I gotta make that light work though. Just a little work, a little paint maybe. So there's the whole area. This is a living room of an empty apartment that we have here. Not we, my father, his building. So yeah. Oh, this is gonna be her desk. For one of her desks. If I get a good angle on it. We got it from Michaels. This is her Imagine that she brought down. I brought down for her. I bet you she can't wait to get it back up and running. Well, some of her stuff. She has a lot more stuff to come down. She used her fancy tape to make sure her thing didn't fall apart. But anyways, so this is the room. Alright. And this is me, if you want to know. Peace.